This whole stadium, from the back to the front, light it up. Lights up, lights up.
Make some noise on my sexy ladies, on my people in the house. I want to thank everyone for coming out for your boy, Rema. Benin City, have fun. Your boy is home. Your boy is home. I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you all for your love. I will not be here without your support. I will not be here without your love, your prayers. And when I'm moving around the world, I take Benin City along with me. You can take the boy out of Benin, but you cannot take the Benin out of the boy. So tonight, if you don't say you want to come here, come form. Get out. No forming from you. Benin know the carry last. No forming from me. So when I say jump, when I say Chris. When I say remove your high heel, throw away your high heel. When I say remove your wig, come on your wig. Are you ready? When I say another, what you say another. Give me some. Benin City, I need you to wake up tonight. When I say another one.
Make some noise!
This one's for my neighbor, where my friends. You don't believe. You don't believe. Keep that shit running. They don't believe. Why they don't believe? Why they don't believe? When I talk, they know they believe. Until you clear for their eye. Sing with me, everybody. I will never forget the time we met Benin as fast forward to today. Every day is a holiday. Every day is a holiday. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. My brothers and my sisters. The youth of Benin City, you go get many dreams where people don't go believe, but keep moving. You get many things where you go see where other people don't see. But keep moving, don't let that shit weigh you down. Keep believing, stay strong, and show them. And when they believe, it's gonna be too late for them. So believe. No matter how crazy the vision is, how impossible it might seem, money no fit there for the vision to come to life. But not lose God, stay strong. Don't want yourself. One more time, let's go. I will never forget it and way back when nothing can start away. Fast forward to today. Every day in a holiday.
Make some noise!